How to turn on Google Chat in your Gmail settings. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Gmail app. Google Chat is an intelligent and secure communication and collaboration tool built for teams. It provides direct messaging, group conversations, and spaces which allow users to create and assign tags and share files in a central place in addition. Google Chat helps individuals, groups, and businesses to connect and collaborate online with secure messaging and powerful features. Now at the top left corner you will find 3 bars, click on it. Now over here you're gonna find different options, scroll down, you will see the option of settings, click on it. Now in this page you will be able to find all the Gmail accounts that you are currently logged in with in your device. Go ahead and click on the Gmail account in which you want to enable Google Chat. With that, you will land to this kind of page. Now scroll down. Under General, you will find this option of Chat. You have to check in for that option. It's in the process to be updated. Wait for a few seconds. And now you will be able to find this Google Chat icon at the bottom. So this is how you can easily turn on Google Chat in your Gmail settings. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.